Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. We still showing y'all how to get rid of that old turkey that's sitting around from Thanksgiving, but you don't know what to do with all this stuff. What am I do with this turkey? Hey, we got some turkey breasts here that I cooked off my old school roast turkey. Go back and look at that video, old school roast turkey for Thanksgiving. And I got some turkey here, turkey breast left over. And I don't know which gonna come out first, the turkey pot pie or the turkey, this turkey Reuben. But that's what we're making today, y'all. We're making a old school turkey Reuben. Now, I love Reuben sandwiches, but I don't like them deconstructed, like me. When I say don't like Reuben, I don't like rye bread, I don't like sauerkraut, I'm not a fan of Swiss cheese, not a fan of this old dressing we grew up on, $1,000. I'm not a fan of turkey. When I make a Reuben, I'm not a fan of corned beef. I'm not a fan of all this stuff. But when you construct it together, it's just something it does, y'all. It's one of my favorite sandwiches, a Reuben sandwich. It's a place, and if you're ever in Vegas, go to Hotel New York, New York. I can't remember the top of my head. There's a place in there that sells Reuben sandwich, some of the best Reuben sandwich I ever tasted. Now, Cat's Deli here in the Houston area, they have the best Reuben sandwiches here in the Houston area. And another place, don't fall asleep on, is Arby's. Go to Arby's and try their Reuben sandwiches. A lot of people don't know, fall asleep on Arby's. Arby's have a nice Reuben sandwiches, just to let y'all know. But anyway, what I got here, got some Jewish rye bread, sauerkraut, turkey breast, Swiss cheese, and $1,000. And what I'm gonna do, y'all, all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna step off here. I got my mantle in here. And I'm gonna slice this turkey really thin, y'all. I got a mandolin, one of the most dangerous items in the kitchen because these things are very sharp. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just slice it really thin. See how thin I can get this Reuben here. Hold on, y'all. See which way I'm gonna slice this bad boy. I'm gonna show y'all one or two, and then I'll step off here. Get them all sliced up, and then let me see, make sure I got it thin enough though. A little bit more here, cause you want it thin, y'all. You don't want a thick slice. You want a thin slice turkey. Let me go here across here. See, this is what you want. You want a real thin slice. So I can get a good thin slice here. Depends on how your turkey was. See that? So I'm gonna step off here, get it nice and sliced up here. Get some nice slices on here, and we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the next step here. Old school turkey Reuben. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're back. I got my turkey sliced up here. I got my sauerkraut all out of the can there. My bread is ready. So first thing I'm gonna do, y'all, I like to get my turkey hot. I like everything hot. So you'll see here. That means I have a complete sandwich cooked all the way through. That's why I like that, definitely like to cook all this all the way through here, y'all. Okay. Let me get my skillet heating up here. And I'm gonna put my turkey in here. I'm gonna cook my turkey off first. Got it real thin here, y'all. And them thin pieces here. It's gonna make a better sandwich. I'm gonna move y'all over here in just a second. Nice thin piece of turkey here. Move y'all over here. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna heat my turkey off. Get it all hot and warm there, because like I said, I want my sandwich, when I bite into my Reuben sandwiches, y'all, I like the whole experience to be warm. Everything warm. After I do the turkey, I'm gonna put my sauerkraut in here with the $1,000, mix it together. Do all that, get it hot. Then I'm gonna put my bread in the skillet, on the skillet behind me here. Put my bread in there with the toast and the cheese. We're gonna just move this around, get it good and hot. Good and warm. But nobody wants to bite into a sandwich where the sauerkraut is cold. Got a little herb right there. That's what that is, y'all, the herb. So this was a herb roasted turkey. Yeah, nobody wants to bite in that kind of sandwich. So anyway, y'all, I'll be right back once this turkey is hot. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, I'm gonna take my turkey off, just put it on the plate right here. Now, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put my sauerkraut in here. Right in the same skillet. Yep, and I'm gonna pour my $1,000 right on the sauerkraut. There we go. This is how I like my Reuben. I like mine. I don't like no dry Reuben. I like a lot of $1,000 on it. So I'll mix it with the actual sauerkraut. Or Russian dressing, however y'all want to say it. Look at that, y'all. Don't take long. You just want to bring it up to temperature. Okay. Now I'm gonna move my other skillet on up here. Put my $1,000 and let it hang out to the back here. Heat this big boy skillet up here. Get the top out the way. Yeah. That's what we're gonna do now. This is exactly how I used to make it on my job, y'all, that I retired from. So what I do, I get my bread here. The skillet is heating up. I got some butter here. I'm gonna put on the bottom of the bread, just like this. See that? And it's gonna slowly come up to temperature. While I'm doing it while the skillet is pretty cold, because it gives me time to get all this bread in here. So I can get them both in the skillet here, y'all. So you can get it moved around here in the skillet. Okay. Throw the bread in there. There we go. Now, what I'm gonna do, y'all, put my cheese on here. Next to the bread. Then we're gonna come back with that sauerkraut. Like this. Put that on there. Sauerkraut and just like that. Like I say, y'all, I love a good juicy Reuben. I don't like no dry Reuben. Okay, now come back with the turkey. Turkey gonna go right in the middle, just like that. Look at that, y'all. This way you got an even distribution of your sauerkraut and your turkey, and nothing's dry. You don't have a dry sandwich. We're gonna put this on top of this one. Let me get my spatula. Get the right spatula for the job. Jeffrey. Move that over. Flip that over on there. There we go. Now, we're gonna just toast these bad boys off here. We'll flip them over once they get brown on the other side. We'll flip it over. Then we'll be back, and I gotta prove to y'all how good these Reubens are, y'all. I'll just leave y'all right here, y'all. Just leave y'all right here when I flip it over. Right here. Hold on just a second. Y'all just watch that while I clean up here. All right. Flip that over. Look at that. Nice golden brown. Flip that over. And the thing is, this is a nice juicy sandwich, y'all. It's not dry. See that? Nice buttery toast on there. Toasted bread. That's what you want. See that? That's what you want. So anyway, we'll be back once it's done. I have it cut up and we're going to try this out. Old school Reuben sandwich, y'all. Turkey Reuben. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back here. Look at this here, y'all. It's a nice, juicy sandwich. Moist, I mean. Look at that. Look at this here. Absolutely amazing. So I'm not even going to delay it all, y'all. Look at this. Pick it up. See that? Got that cheese in there. All melted, gooey cheese, the sauerkraut. The turkey's hot. and the Thousand Island going in. Best way, y'all, use up that leftover turkey. I'm telling y'all. Yeah. Going in again. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Everything blends together. Of course, the turkey is thinly sliced, so it's tender. And like I say, you get a good moist bite of everything. I don't know if y'all eating Reuben sandwiches that's been so dry. Not this one. Then you gotta ask for $1,000 on the side and kind of heavy. Not my Reuben sandwiches. So it's another way to get rid of a leftover Thanksgiving turkey. So let me close the video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.